Here's how to use the Quick Selection tool in Photoshop. The Quick Selection tool works best with objects or backgrounds that are a little more complex. Let's remove the sky in this landscape photo. First, duplicate the layer. This keeps a non-destructive version of the image available for reference. In the Layers panel, left-click and drag your background image down to the Create a New Layer icon. Now, click the Layer Visibility icon for the background layer. This will make the background layer hidden. Now let's locate the Quick Selection tool in the Tools panel on the left side. Depending on what workspace you're in, the organization of the tools may look different. We are using the Essentials workspace, which is Photoshop's default. The fourth tool down is where the Quick Selection tool is located. To find it, you may need to right-click to expand this tool's submenu, then select Quick Selection tool. Adjust your Quick Selection brush size to something smaller than your background, but not too large. Use the left and right bracket keys to adjust size or the pull-down menu at the top. Make sure you have selected your visible layer and start selecting parts of your background until the background is fully selected. If the selection has expanded beyond the background, we will refine that now. To add or remove some of the selection, use the tools at the top labeled Add to Selection and Subtract from Selection. In our example, the selection has expanded into some of the peaks of the mountains. Let's use the Subtract from Selection tool. Again, use your bracket keys or the drop-down menu to adjust the selection tool size. Here we want a brush size smaller than the size of the selection area we are removing. Now click in the area where you want to remove the selection that has expanded past the background. Repeat this with any discrepancies with the entire selection. Go to the Select drop-down menu and click Select and Mask. This will open up the Select and Mask workspace. A checkered background is transparent and is what's being removed or masked by your selection. If your background is showing and the object is missing, go to the right menu and click Invert. Here you can make adjustments to your selection to refine it. Adding a slight feather is always a good starting point and will help with making your image more seamless with any background you put behind it. Go down to Output Settings and make sure Output 2 has Layer Mask selected and click OK. Your background is now removed, and you can save this as a PNG file type, which keeps the background transparent and saves a cutout version of the image. To export, open the File drop-down menu and go to Export. Then select Export As. Change format to PNG. Here you can also change your image size and then click Export. Name your file and save. Your image is now saved as a cutout with a transparent background and ready for any background you want to put behind it.